Here it comes. Good girl. You like that squash, huh? Oh, what was me? No, don't do that. Thank you for green spit all over me. No. You think that's silly, huh?
You got a wipe or something?
She just wiped her own mouth. Good girl. Yes, that was an apron squash on my leg.
Mogi, easy, easy.
Is that your all darn look? No more? Oh, I'm gonna have to wash that off it. No? Just blowing snot on it now. I think she's done. All done. All done. Good girl.
People, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Good girl.